The toucan, a colorful and distinctive bird, is one of the most iconic species in the avian world, known for its bright plumage, large bill, and vibrant personality. Native to the tropical and subtropical regions of Central and South America, toucans have become synonymous with the lush rainforests and jungles that stretch across these areas. The family Ramphastidae, to which toucans belong, includes a variety of species, each showcasing a unique combination of brilliant colors and curious traits that make them stand out among other birds. The toucan's large, colorful bill is perhaps its most recognizable feature, but it is also known for its sociable nature, playful behavior, and the important role it plays in its ecosystem. Toucans are not just remarkable for their striking appearance, but they also possess a series of fascinating adaptations that make them well suited to life in the dense, humid forests where they reside. Their habits, diet, and interactions with other species offer a glimpse into the complex web of life within tropical environments. The toucan's presence in various cultures and its portrayal in art and media have further cemented its place as one of the most beloved and intriguing birds in the world. From its oversized bill to its vivid plumage and loud, chattering calls, the toucan continues to captivate people of all ages with its charm and grace. Toucans are medium to large-sized birds, with most species ranging from 18 to 25 inches, 45 to 63 centimeters, in length, and weighing between 300 and 500 grams, 10 to 17 ounces. Despite their size, toucans are light in weight due to their large, hollow bills, which are made of keratin, the same material that makes up human hair and nails. Their bills, which can measure up to 8 inches, 20 centimeters long, are not only an aesthetic feature but also serve a functional purpose. While the bill is large and cumbersome looking, it is lightweight and perfectly adapted for the bird's feeding habits. The bill is used to reach fruit that is high in trees or deep within foliage, allowing the toucan to access a wide variety of foods without the need to fly to different locations. Additionally, the bill is employed in defense and social interactions, where toucans use it to display dominance, engage in playful behavior, or defend their nests from intruders. The shape of the toucan's bill is also highly specialized, with serrated edges that help it grasp and manipulate food, making it an essential tool in the bird's daily activities. The toucan's vibrant plumage, with a combination of bold colors, further adds to its reputation as one of the most visually striking birds in the world. While the colors of a toucan's feathers can vary depending on the species, many toucans display shades of yellow, orange, red, blue, green, and black, with some having patches of white around their eyes or on their throats. The keel-billed toucan, Ramphastos sulphuratus, for example, has a predominantly black body with a bright yellow chest, a greenish-blue face, and a bill that features a rainbow of colors, from green at the base to orange, yellow, and red at the tip. Other species, such as the toco toucan, Ramphastos toco, exhibit more subtle colors, but their bright, contrasting bills still capture attention. The vivid hues of a toucan's feathers serve several purposes, including helping the bird stand out in its dense, colorful rainforest habitat, attracting mates, and possibly playing a role in communication with other toucans or animals. Toucans are typically found in the tropical and subtropical forests of Central and South America, including countries like Brazil, Costa Rica, Mexico, Colombia, and Venezuela. They inhabit the canopy of these forests, where the dense vegetation provides both shelter and food. The toucan's ability to navigate the towering trees with ease is a testament to its remarkable physical adaptations. Although toucans are not particularly strong flyers, they are excellent at gliding and hopping from branch to branch, using their short wings and strong legs to maneuver through the canopy. Their flight is often described as a series of short bursts, and they typically prefer to move through the forest by hopping or gliding rather than long-distance flying. This behavior is well suited to their arboreal lifestyle, where the dense vegetation and abundant food sources make flying unnecessary for long periods. The toucan's diet is primarily composed of fruit, although they are also known to eat insects, small reptiles, and even eggs from other birds. Their preference for fruit is what most people associate with toucans, and their ability to consume a wide variety of fruits allows them to occupy an important niche in their ecosystem. Toucans are frugivores, and they play a vital role in dispersing seeds throughout their environment. As they feed on fruits, the seeds pass through their digestive system and are often deposited in new locations, contributing to the growth of new plants and trees. In this way, toucans help to maintain the biodiversity of the rainforest, ensuring the spread of a variety of plant species that are crucial for the health of the forest ecosystem. This mutual relationship between toucans and the plants they feed on is a key example of the interconnectedness of the rainforest ecosystem. Toucans are also known for their social behavior and strong group dynamics. While some species are more solitary, most toucans are highly sociable and live in small to medium-sized groups, called flocks. These flocks can consist of up to 20 individuals, and the members often interact with each other through vocalizations, mutual preening, and play. Toucans are known to be playful birds, frequently engaging in games and activities that help strengthen social bonds within the group. They may toss fruit to one another, engage in synchronized movements, or perform acrobatic displays. These interactions are not only a form of communication but also a way for toucans to establish and reinforce relationships within their flock. Toucans are also highly vocal birds, and their calls are an important part of their social structure. Their vocalizations can range from a series of loud croaks and yaps to softer coos and trumpets, depending on the context and the species. These calls are often used to communicate with other members of the flock, announce their presence, or establish territory. In addition to their social structure, toucans are also known for their complex reproductive behaviors. Toucans are monogamous, with most species forming long-term pair bonds during the breeding season. During courtship, the male toucan will often present the female with a piece of fruit or engage in synchronized displays, such as bowing or hopping around her. Once a pair has bonded, they work together to build a nest, which is typically located in a tree cavity or a hollow branch. The nest is lined with a variety of materials, including leaves, feathers, and soft plant matter. The female typically lays between 2 and 4 eggs, which both parents take turns incubating for about 16 to 20 days. After hatching, the chicks are dependent on their parents for food and protection, and both parents will take turns feeding them and guarding the nest from potential threats. As the chicks grow, they begin to develop feathers and start to explore their surroundings. At about 2 months of age, the young toucans are able to leave the nest, although they often stay with their parents for several more months as they learn essential survival skills. Despite their playful and sociable nature, toucans face a number of threats in the wild, many of which are related to human activities. Deforestation is one of the most significant challenges to toucan populations, as the destruction of their natural habitats leaves them with fewer places to live, feed, and breed. Logging, agriculture, and urban expansion have contributed to the loss of tropical rainforests, reducing the availability of food sources and nesting sites for toucans. Additionally, illegal hunting and the capture of toucans for the pet trade are ongoing problems that threaten certain species, particularly those with strikingly colorful plumage. Habitat fragmentation, which occurs when large areas of forest are divided into smaller, isolated patches, also poses a threat to toucans, as it limits their ability to find mates and food and can lead to inbreeding. Climate change is another emerging threat, as it can alter the distribution of food sources and affect the timing of breeding cycles, potentially disrupting toucan populations. Conservation efforts are underway to address these threats and protect toucan populations. Many organizations are working to preserve tropical rainforests and other critical habitats through reforestation projects, the establishment of protected areas, and sustainable land management practices. In some regions, local communities are involved in conservation efforts, helping to monitor toucan populations, reduce deforestation, and raise awareness about the importance of protecting these remarkable birds. Additionally, toucan species are monitored through research programs that track their behavior, habitat use, and population trends. These efforts provide valuable data that can be used to inform conservation strategies and ensure that toucans continue to thrive in the wild. In conclusion, the toucan is a remarkable bird that stands out for its vibrant plumage, distinctive bill, and playful, social behavior. Toucans play an important role in their ecosystems, contributing to the spread of seeds and maintaining the health of tropical rainforests. Their social bonds, complex reproductive behaviors, and strong group dynamics make them fascinating subjects of study, while their beauty and charm have captured the hearts of people around the world. Despite the challenges they face, conservation efforts are helping to protect toucans and their habitats, ensuring that these magnificent birds continue to be a symbol of the lush, colorful environments they call home. Through these efforts, toucans will remain an enduring part of the natural world, inspiring awe and admiration for generations to come.